Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be working with Microsoft Office 365 lists in Microsoft Word, and then we'll be managing it and then nesting lists so that we'll look at how to structure lists properly in Microsoft Word 365 for mobile. So here's a list of items that I would want to list. So I'll select the items. After selecting the items, I come to the toolbar and I click on bullets. So this option is bullets. So I click on bullets to create a bullet. A bullet is an unordered list. If I want an ordered list, I would use numbering, which is this numbering. So now I have numbers instead of bullets. So bullets are the dots, numbers are the actual numbers. And so we want to start from the bullets. So we have a bullet, however, we have indented items. What that means is that front end, for example, is a sub item under design a website. Front end design and front end development are sub items under front end. So we need to be able to create this list to reflect how these items are structured. So front end, to indent front end, we'll use the increase indent option, which is this increase indent option, to push the front end to the side. Then front end design will indent twice. Front end development will indent twice because they are both options under front end. Back end will indent once. Back end development will indent twice. Database design and integration will indent. The same goes for cloud servers under get hosting, because get hosting is one of the 3 steps. So cloud servers under that get 2 indents, 1 indent, sorry. Then domain emails get 1 indent. SSL certificates get 1 indent. Then get a domain is the 3rd step in getting your website online, or getting an online presence. So get a domain name. Underneath it we have country level TLD and how to create subdomains within your website. So here we have a structure within our list system that was not apparent the first time we created that list. So by increasing and decreasing indents, you will be able to push the levels of each of the indented items either out. In this example, we are pushing back-end development out. So as it changes, it adopts the design for that level, or increasing of indent, and as it changes, it adopts the design for that level. Now this is a bulleted design. We can do numbering designs. We can change this numbering by selecting one of each level. So for the first level, we have design a website, get hosting, get a domain name. They're on the first level, so we can select any one of them and change that to numbers. So we can go to numbers, for example, but the icons or the options on this toolbar does not give us much options. So we can go to the menu and move to numbering and select the exact kind of numbering that we want. So let's say we want this as numbering, so we want that kind of numbering, and so we select the next level, which contains front end, back end, cloud servers, domain emails. These are all on the same level, so you can select any one of them and then you change the numbering. Let's say we want capital ABC, so we select capital ABC here, and every one of them adopts that numbering format. And then the third one, we want Roman numerals. So we select the level, any item within that level, and then we go to numbering and we select capital letter Roman numerals. And so you have I. So here we have designed and edited the numbering style within Microsoft Word. The same thing applies for bullets. You can change your bullet however you want. Let's say you want to change this 1 to 3 to a different kind of bullet. So you go to bullets and you select the kind of bullet that you would want to use. So it changes that level. You see, get hosting has gotten that bullet, get a domain name has gotten that bullet. If you want this third level, which contains front end design, front end development, back end development, and database design and integration, to have a different kind of bullet, you can come and you select, go to bullet, and you select the bullet you want it to have. So you can customize your lists however you want using both the numbering and the bullets, and your indenting increase and decrease icons or options here and here. However, sometimes you want to create a paragraph within a list, but you do not want to create another list. So let's say you want to try to describe what backend development is, and you do an enter, for example, with your keyboard. It assumes that you want to create a list. So it gives you the option of, okay, one bullet point, but you don't want a bullet point. You're just trying to explain that back-end development. There are several options you can do. You can come and you deactivate bullet by just clicking on the same bullet icon here, and it knows that that item is not part of your bulleted list. So you can continue typing. So when you are done typing, you can choose to indent this to show that this is supposed to be underneath backend development. So increase indent will bring it to the same level. So you can continue to increase indent however you see fit. It's your design, so you get to choose how that design works. So any item, any level you do not want the indenting to continue, you get to do that. If, for example, you want to try to do explain what domain emails is, for example, and you do enter, it will change the numbering system such that D is now SSL certificate, and it assumes that C is the next item you want to list. But no, you want to try to explain domain emails. So what you do is you deactivate that so that it doesn't continue to look for or give you options to make that an item. So I said there are different ways of doing it. One option will be to deactivate it from this toolbar where you just select. Another option will be for you to do your backspace. Your backspace is here. So when you do backspace, it deletes that bullet sign or the bullet item, and then you can continue typing. So again, the design is entirely yours to manipulate however you want it. So that is it for item manipulations within Microsoft Word 365 for mobile. See you in the next video.